Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into a little nut that's packed with big benefits, cashew nuts. You might love them in your trail mix or as a creamy base for vegan dishes. But do you know just how amazing they are for your health? Let's crack into it. First up, cashews are nutritional powerhouses. They are loaded with essential nutrients like copper, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for maintaining healthy bones, brain function, and your immune system. So, munching on a handful of cashews can actually help keep you strong and sharp. Now, let's talk about heart health. Cashews are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These good fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the fiber content in cashews can aid in digestion and keep your gut happy. So, your heart and tummy both get a boost. Ever wonder why cashews are often used in skin and hair products? It's because they're rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. And the copper in cashews promotes the production of melanin, giving your skin and hair that healthy glow. But that's not all. Cashews can also help with weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, they're quite filling. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber can help you feel satisfied longer, reducing the urge to snack on less nutritious options. So, they're a great option if you're looking to maintain or even lose weight. Let's not forget about their versatility. Cashews can be enjoyed in so many ways: raw, roasted, or as a creamy base for sauces and desserts. They can fit into almost any diet, from vegan to paleo, making them a convenient and delicious choice. And here's a fun fact: cashews are technically seeds, not nuts. They grow on the bottom of the cashew apple and have a unique harvesting process. So next time you enjoy a cashew, you can appreciate the journey it took to get to your plate. So, whether you're adding them to your smoothie, sprinkling them on a salad, or just grabbing a handful for a quick snack, cashew nuts are a tasty and nutritious choice. They're not just a treat for your taste buds, but a superfood for your overall health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of cashew nuts, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!